Dear students, in this session, I am going to explain about the human excretory system. Human excretory system consists pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. So these are the excretory parts of human excretory system. So let us see about the kidneys. So a pair of kidneys are reddish brown color. So these are bean shaped structures. Kidneys are located on either sides of the vertebral column between the last thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae. So kidneys are reddish brown color, bean shaped structures. These are located on either sides of the vertebral column between the third thoracic and last lumbar vertebrae. So each kidney weighs about 120 to 170 grams. Here, each kidney outer surface is convex and inner surface has deep a notch. So this notch is called hilum. Outer surface of kidney is convex and inner surface of kidney has deep notch is called hilum. So in this situation, so at the point of hilum, the artery and nerves are enter into the kidney and veins and ureters are leave from the kidney. So each kidney surrounded by a tough fibrous tissue. So this fibrous tissue is called a renal capsule. So this renal capsule is protect its delicate inner surface. So let us discuss about the internal structure of kidney. A transverse section of kidney shows two portions. The outer portion of kidney is called cortex. The inner portion of kidney is called medulla. The outer portion is cortex and the inner portion is called medulla. So the medulla is divided into multiple cone-shaped structures. So these cone-shaped structures are called renal pyramids or medullary pyramids. So these renal pyramids are separated by a projections. These projections are called renal columns or columns of Bethune. So the base of each pyramid is originate from the cup-like structures. These cup-like structures are called calyces. So renal columns terminate into renal papillae. These are the projections which terminates to the renal columns. So renal columns are merged into cup-like structures. Those cup-like structures are called calyces. So calyces are originates from the renal pelvids. So renal pelvids leads into ureters. So here these are the pair of ureters. So ureters are slender whitish tubes which are opens into the urinary bladder. So the wall of ureter is lined by the transitional epithelium. So these ureters are opens into the urinary bladder. So let's see about the urinary bladder. So urinary bladder is a medium storage muscular sac-like structure. So it's situated at the lower abdominal cavity. The wall of urinary bladder is lined by the transitional epithelium. Gradually, the urinary bladder opens into the urethra. So here, urethra has two portions. One is the external, second one is the internal. So the internal portion consists a sphincter that is called internal urethral sphincter. Internal urethral sphincter. So this internal urethral sphincter made up of smooth muscles. Next one, external urethral sphincter. So external urethral sphincter is made up of striped muscles. So urethra opens into vaginal orifice. Vaginal orifice in female. Urethra opens near the vaginal orifice in females, and urethra opens in through the penis in males. So this is about the human excretory system.